my feet closer to yours. Catch my breath and I say, I'm the one you're looking for. So come on, dance a little dance. Take my hand, darling, take a chance. You be my queen, I'll be your king. Show you everything.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Hope everybody's having a great day out there. We just arrived to our hotel here in downtown Cleveland. We're at Hotel Indigo, and here's my beautiful wife right here. If you want to hop in, baby. Oh, yep. And Bryce loves to pull hair.
Already up my hair.
So we're doing a room tour video, Bryce version and kid version, as we got our two rowdy reptiles over here bouncing on the couch right now. The hotel room's nice though. It's small, but it's nice and classy. It's got a nice courtyard view, so we'll show you guys the view and we'll show you guys the room. So let's get this thing started. All right, so we're walking in here. This is the entrance of the room. This is the door right here. I got the wall, got a nice little design on it, a little wallpaper, and then right to your immediate right is the bathroom, which is really nice. It's got a nice tile throughout the bathroom. It's kind of small though. The hotel room in general is pretty small, but it's got some nice designs to it. So we got wallpaper right here. Got like a little newspaper look to it. Nice lighting and mirror. We got a walk-in shower with a sliding door, and we've got the full-size body wash and conditioner, shampoo, which is really nice. So looks like it is Xenology. Those sample size ones are kind of annoying. We had those at our room that we just last stayed at. So it's nice having full size ones. So you have plenty of body wash and shampoo in the shower. And then you got plenty over here for hand soap and everything. So it looks like a pretty nice brand. Never heard of the brand, but packaging, bottling looks nice. So looking forward to giving that a try. And then we'll go in here. Excuse the animals, aka Adriana and Braden. They're bouncing off the walls. So this is the main area here. Again, it's kind of small. This is the bed. We got a king size bed over here. Looks nice and white and comfy. Baby, go ahead and jump on that bed. Or don't jump because you're pregnant, but yeah. How's it feel? It looks nice.
It feels soft. Soft?
Yeah. Or no?
It's too soft for me.
Too soft for you?
Yeah, but it's okay.
Yeah, you gotta have some firmness when you're pregnant.
Yeah.
So that's the bed. Got like a little end table over here. Got some nice lighting over here. Got like a leather headboard here on the wall. Then we're panning over here. Got a nice little mirror over here, full-size mirror. We got a flat screen TV. Oh, you're showcasing the office chair. I love it, Adriana. Looks great. So I got a flat screen here. Got a pretty big desk area. Got some 3 drawers for clothes and whatnot. Again, Adriana's highlighting the beautiful office chair that she wants me to show you guys. That's gorgeous. How's it feel, guys? Is that a nice chair?
Yeah.
Yeah, it looks great.
It's cozy.
It's cozy. That's awesome. It's great to hear. What would you give that? A 5 out of 5?
Yeah.
Awesome. And over here we got a little office area. So this is where that beautiful chair goes that Adriana's highlighting. Goes in this little area right here. Got a nice little lighting right here. And then we got some plugs. And then over here we've got additional plugs and USB ports. And then we've got a little table here. We've got a sofa bed here. Nice looking couch. Got some nice pillows here. And then throughout the room, it's nice. We got crown molding throughout, which is a nice little touch. So you guys can see here, I'm going all the way over, doing a 360 turn. So that's a pretty cool touch. And then we got some nice wallpaper here on the walls all throughout the room. Got some nice lighting throughout the room as well. And then go ahead, Adrian, show them what's in there. What do we got in there? Whoa, what's that? So we open that up. Open up the other door, Adriana. So we got 2 doors, a left and a right one. So the left side, we got just normal hangers, iron board, and a safe down at the bottom. We got a little mini fridge on the right-hand side, a Keurig machine, cups, and ice bucket. All right, Adriana, close those doors up. We're done showing them the room. So that recaps the room tour, guys. And now I'll show you guys here what we're looking at. So this is our view. It's actually really pretty out here. It's a nice little courtyard. So it looks like there's some turf out there. We got some tables with some umbrellas. We got another one over here. And then you can look at the gym over there. So we got a little view of the gym. I'm not sure what this building across is. Maybe it's, I don't know, maybe it's another hotel. I'm not really sure what that is. But it's really nice and pretty cool little quaint area with a little courtyard. There's a restaurant down below, so that's a little bit of the restaurant seating. So, but that's a recap of the room, and we'll close out the video here, pan the camera back over, and close out the video for you guys. All right, guys, so that's our video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the kids. Usually we don't do the room tours with the kids because it's just a little chaotic, as you guys saw. Well, they had a nice little touch to it. It's kind of funny, and they were highlighting some stuff too, so it was really cool. Adrian was showcasing the closet and the mini fridge, and then you saw their expressions as they opened up the closet. They were showcasing that beautiful office chair that they liked. So it was kind of funny seeing them show you guys stuff and highlight stuff in the room. But it's a really pretty room. Hotel staff was really good. It's in downtown Cleveland, so it's a little hectic. The parking is kind of tight. There's not anywhere to pull in. You pull in the valet, that's where you unload, but it's right off the street in a downtown area. So valet is $45 a day for parking. We self-parked in the garage, which was $25 max, so however long you were there, it's $25. There's some other garages in the area that are a little cheaper, but it was like $12 a day, so we're gonna be here for a few days, so we decided to do the $25 max one. But the grounds are nice. We're right across the street from where the Cavs play, so that's pretty cool. The arena is beautiful. We're right close to the water, so it's a nice area. There's restaurants all around. I would probably say Buffalo Wild Wings is right down the road. I'd probably say there's 8 to 10 restaurants in the area within walking distance, so it's in a really good area as far as proximity to stuff. The Guardian Stadium's right across the street as well, so we're right close to where the games would be played, restaurants are and stuff, so it's very lively where we are. But again, guys, thanks again for watching. Stay tuned to all our trips here in the Midwest, and we'll see you guys in the next video.